Technology's core fundamentality. It insists on data integration, statistics analysis, data preparation, machine learning, text mining, and visualization. Data integration in SAS involves combining data from various sources into an unified view. SAS data integration tools enable seamless integration and transformation and loading of data, ensuring consistency and accuracy of analysis. In regard of data preparation, SAS facilitates effective data preparation by offering tools for cleaning, filtering, and transferring raw data into a format suitable for analysis. Data scientists can leverage SAS for tasks like missing value imputation, outlier detection to enhance data quality, etc. In statistics analysis, SAS equal a robust set of statistic procedures for in-depth analysis. So the data scientist can perform hypothesis testing, descriptive statistics, and multivariate analysis using SAS, gaining valuable insights into the underlying patterns and trends within the data, whether structured or unstructured. Machine learning. For machine learning, it can seem that SAS provides a comprehensive suite for machine learning tasks. Through tools like SAS via data scientists can implement machine learning algorithms for tasks such as classification, regression, clustering, and anomaly detection, enabling predictive modeling and pattern recognition, which helps in learning of the machine learning module. Text mining. SAS Text Miner empowers data scientists to extract insights from unstructured text data. It involves techniques like sentiment analysis, categorization, and topic modeling. This capability is crucial for organizations looking to analyze large volumes of textual information. And lastly, visualization. SAS visualization analytics and visual statistics empower powerful data visualization. Data scientists can create interactive and informative visualization, allowing stakeholders to grasp complex patterns. Visualization enhance communications, findings, and support data-driven decision making. So what is the purpose of SAS? Data exploration, predictive modeling, data visualization. SAS is used to explore data, discover patterns, trends, and anomalies, and analyze the outcome of potential scenarios, thereby providing valuable business insights. From SAS support comprehensive data exploration through tools like SAS Visual Analytics and Enterprise Guide. Data scientists can interactively explore data distribution, identify outliers, understand the structures of their data sets. Visual exploration aids in uncovering patterns and insights that guide subsequent analysis. In predictive modeling, it serves the purpose of building and deploying advanced predictive models which can be used for forecasting and decision making process. Due to being robust platform for predictive modeling, it offers a range of techniques from traditional statistics model to advanced machine learning algorithms. Data scientists can build models using SS Enterprise Miner, for instance, to make predictions about future trends based on historical data patterns. These models contribute to informed decision making. Lastly, data visualization. It facilitates the creation of informative and compelling visual representation of data, aiding in effective communication and decision making. SAS visual analytics and visual statistics empower data scientists to create compelling visualization and convey complex insight effectively. Visualization tools in essays allow creation of interactive charts, graphs, and dashboard, enhancing the communication of finding to stakeholders. Visual representations simplify the interpretation of analytical results.